I took a cooking class in Chiang Mai, Thailand at Lanna's Smile, and it was a wonderful experience. The people were wonderful. Everyone was from a different country, mostly Germany, and we just had a wonderful time relishing in the culture and learning Thai cooking. It was really, really a beautiful experience. I'm going to make all of these dishes when I come home. I mean, they were really, really good. I couldn't believe that I made them. So I'm going to make them for my family. I got to make mango sticky rice, which I love. I made the blue rice. I made pad kapow. I made so many good dishes. It was amazing. I really, really couldn't believe I made them. And the cool part about this is that we went to the farmer's market, an authentic Thai farmer's market, and we got everything fresh. So nothing was processed. We used all real vegetables. I mean, it was just a really great experience and good to learn from someone that really does authentic Thai cooking. And she really explained. Lanna was very, very nice. It was a beautiful place, and I really was engaged the whole time. I love doing things like this. It just really just makes me feel good. So if you are ever in Chiang Mai, Thailand, or in Thailand, period, make sure you take you a cooking class. This is the best way to immerse yourself in the culture and learn how they eat in Thailand, the different cuisines and the different ways that they use them. It was amazing. Lanna smile, A1. And it's also a great way to meet great people. All of the people that I met were great. Like I said, most of them were from France and Germany and Europe. But it was beautiful to meet different people and to find out their journey and learn more about them. So definitely try a Thai cooking class. I booked this myself. It was inexpensive, under $30, I'm sure. And it was about 4 hours. So that was a very inexpensive price to pay for all of this knowledge that I'll take with me from years to come. And I'll be making these meals for my friends and family. I know my mango sticky blue rice looks so good. I made it. Yes, I did. And this was such a big accomplishment for me because I love mango sticky rice. The first time I had it was in Thailand. So this was really delicious. I'm telling you, if you want to make some food that you can't believe that you made, take a Thai cooking class. Atlanta Smile if you're in Chiang Mai.